All right, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics question number 41, NOV-DEC 2024 edition. The interior angles of a triangle are given as x plus 37 and 2x plus 49 and 5x plus what? 58. So we are to find the difference between the largest angle and the smallest angle. First of all, before you can do that, you need to know the value of x that can be used to replace to give you the values of the angles in terms of degree. So first thing first, we know that if I add all the values, so sum of interior angle of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So all the angles which will become x plus 37 plus 2x plus 49 plus 5x plus 58 must give us 180 degrees. So all of these must give us the value. So x plus 2x plus 5x will give you 8x. Then this is 30 plus 40, 70 plus 50, 120. 120, we have 130, 144. So 144 will be equals to 180. We need to keep the 8x and subtract 144 from 180 to have 8x equals to 100 minus 100 will be 0. So 80 minus 44, that will be 36. So we have 8x on 8, 36 on 8. Remember, 4 can go here 2. 4 can go here 9. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. So x is nothing but what? 4.5 what? Degree. So what do we do? So we can see that the first angle, let me just say angle 1 is going to be 4.5 plus 37. And that is going to give us, I think, 41.5 degree. The second angle is supposed to be 2 times 4.5. That will be 9. 9 plus this should be giving us 58. So 9 plus 49 will give you 58 degree. The third angle is going to be 4.5 times 5. That is going to be somewhere 22.5. So 22.5 plus 58 will also be giving us this 70. So 80.5. So looking at this, which ones are the two angles that are large and small? I am going to pick these two angles. So the difference will become 80.5 degree minus 41.5 what? Degree. So 0.5 is gone. So 80 minus 41, that will be 39. So we are going to have 39 degree. So which of the option are we going for? We are going for option D as the difference between the largest angle, which is 80.5 degree, and the smallest angle, which is what? 41.5 degree. I guess the concept built into it is understood. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe. Bye.